Hey everybody, all right. Welcome to my show. All right. You are very welcome. And thank you very much for watching my show. Hey guys, look at my table. How colorful and busy. Exactly the way I like it. Hey guys, today I'm gonna make salmon with mushrooms and spinach. All right guys, it's gonna bring the flavor together. But don't be afraid. Don't be afraid guys. All right, let's go. All right guys, I'm gonna tell you exactly what I have on my table. All right. For the sauce, I have 1 tablespoon of basil. I have a half stick of butter. I have also 8 cloves of garlic, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of heavy cream, 1.5 cups of chicken stock. Also, I have 10 ounces of cherry tomato. All right, guys, to bring the flavor together. All right. Also, I have 10 ounces of spinach, 1 pound of mushrooms. You guys can use any mushrooms you want it. All right, let's go. Also, I have 2 lemons for decoration only. Also, I have 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of black pepper. All right. If you guys doesn't like black pepper, don't use. Very good. Also, I have 1 teaspoon of hot sauce. You guys can use any hot sauce you want it. All right. But if you don't like hot sauce, don't use. Also, I have 1 teaspoon of Old Bay. I have a 1/4 cup of parsley. I have a half cup of Parmesan cheese. All right, guys, it's gonna bring the flavor together. Also, I have a half cup of white wine. You guys can use any white wine you prefer. Also, I have 2 medium onions, finely chopped. All right. Also, the mushrooms, spinach, and the cherry tomato, finely chopped. All right. So also, I have, now I'm gonna show you what I have for the salmon. All right. For the salmon, I have 4 fillets, beautiful, very fresh. All right. Also, I have 1 cup of olive oil. If you guys need more, just add it. Also, I have 1 teaspoon of black pepper. If you don't like, don't use. Also, I have 1 teaspoon of salt. All right, guys. You want to cook with me? All right, guys, let's go. Very good. I'm gonna put my fried pan for medium high. Very good. So now I'm gonna need my olive oil. Very good. Bingo! All right, guys. Very good. All right, let's warm up this oil. All right, but stay tuned. All right, welcome back. My oil is getting ready. All right, so now let's prepare these babies. All right, very good. First, I'm gonna need my salt. Okay, use plenty here, there, not much. All right, very little. Looking good. All right, very good. All right, very good. All right, very good. So now I'm gonna need my black pepper. All right, very good. Sprinkle a little bit here, there. That's to bring the flavor together. Very good. All right. Hey guys, if you want a good food, you're gonna need a very good recipe, right? Please don't forget to subscribe and like my channel. All right, I'll be right here. But don't be afraid. Don't be afraid, guys. All right, let's go. Very good. I'll be back very shortly. All right, welcome back. All right, guys, my oil is ready. All right, that means I'm ready for my next step. Very good. Let's cook these babies. Very good. All right. It's looking good. Very good. All right, let's cook these babies. All right. But stay tuned. Hey guys, would you like to cook with me? All right, guys, let's go. Very good. I already flipped them. All right, I'm gonna flip the other one here. Very good. It's looking very good. All right. You don't want to cook this well done. All right. Let's cook this for a little bit longer. All right, and I'll be right back. All right, welcome back. But don't be afraid. Don't be afraid, guys. All right, let's go. Very good. My salmon is ready. All right. So, get the plate together. Very good. You guys can take a look. You don't want to overcook. Get there. Very good. All right. Let's get the other baby. It's gonna break too. All right. Oops. Very good. Get here. Very good. Next one. All right. Very good. Looks beautiful. All right. Take quickly look. Very good. Let's reserve that. All right. Let's reserve. All right. In the same fried pan. All right. I'm gonna already mix it up my garlic and my onions. They're all together here in one plate. So very good. All right. Very good. So now let's cook this onion and garlic. All right. Stay tuned. All right. Welcome back. My garlic and my onions is ready. All right. Start to get that beautiful color. I like it. Brown. All right. So now I'm ready for my next step. My next step is going to be my mushrooms. Very good. Right? Usually, when I cook my mushrooms, I like to cut them in pieces when they are cooking. All right? So, let's cook these mushrooms a little bit longer, all right, before I go to my next step. All right? I'll be right back. All right, my mushrooms is ready. All right, please take a look. Beautiful, and it smells all over my kitchen. All right, I'm ready for my next step. My next step is gonna be my butter. All right, very good. All right, let's melt this butter a little bit. My butter was halfway melted already, so very good. All right, my next step now, it's gonna be my cherry tomatoes. All right, that's when the colors and the flavor comes together. All right, guys. Good. All right, let's cook these tomatoes. All right. But don't be afraid. Don't be afraid, guys. All right, let's go. I see you very shortly. All right, guys. Welcome back. All right, time to check. Very good. Ooh la la, very good. Hey guys, my tomatoes is cooked. All right, I'm ready for my next step. Very good. My next step is gonna be my parsley, right? Link some parsley there. Very good. All right. Now mix it up a little bit. Let the flavor and the color comes together. Very good. So now my next step, it's gonna be my spinach. Spinach, you have to cook it slowly, right? Because it has to absorb, right? Very good. All right. Now, a little bit more. Put the whole thing there. All right, let me mix it up this, all right, and cook this spinach, and I'll be right back. All right, my next step now, my spinach is almost cooked. You guys can take a look, all right? It's about like a 90% cooked. All right, I'm ready for my next step. This is my basil. All right. This is my salt. All right. This is my paprika. All right. Very good. This is my hot sauce. When the colors and the flavor comes together. All right, very good. This is my black pepper. This is my Old Bay. Please bring the camera together. All right. And let's cook this season, right? A little bit longer. All right, let's the flavor penetrate. All right, and stay tuned. All right, please bring the camera together. It's nice and gloss. All right, and everything's cooked. All right, so now I'm ready for my next step. But don't be afraid. Don't be afraid, guys. All right, let's go. Very good. My next step, it's gonna be my wine. Good. We're gonna cook this wine, right, until evaporate. All right. So let's cook these babies. All right. See you very shortly. All right. My wine is evaporated. You guys can see it's nice and glossy. Right, nice and glossy. Very good. That means I'm ready for my next step. And the spinach, of course, is always welcome in my kitchen. All right, guys, let's go for the next step. This is my chicken stock. All right, so you're gonna do exactly the same. All right, you're gonna cook the chicken stock until it's evaporated. All right, so it has to be well concentrated. All right, see you very shortly. All right, very good. Please take a look. It's nice and dry. All right, very much. So the chicken stock is being concentrated, right, 100%. Very good. Now I'm ready for my next step. Very good. This is my heavy cream. All right, very good. When the colors and the flavor comes together. All right, very good. It's gonna be good. It's gonna taste good. All right, guys, but don't be afraid. Don't be afraid, guys. All right, let's go. All right, let's cook these babies, all right? This heavy cream, all right? A little longer. Let's get gloss, all right? And I see you in a little bit. Hey guys, I almost forgot. Time to check. Very good. Ooh la la! It's almost ready. Very good. Sheesh! Now it's time for my Parmesan cheese. All right, very good. So what you do is you sprinkle a little bit here, there. Right? Very good. All right. So now what you're gonna do is you're gonna mix it up. Please bring the camera together so it's a nice and gloss, right? So now we're gonna cook a little bit the Parmesan cheese, right? To get a little bit gloss, all right? And I'll be right back. Hey guys, all right, very good. I'm gonna show you the final product. All right, very good. Please bring the camera together. And this is a party for 4. Right? I'm sure it's gonna taste delicious, and that this can impress all your guests. All right, nice decoration. All right, you have to try this recipe. All right, I'm sure you gonna be happy today and forever. All right, but don't be afraid. Don't be afraid, guys. All right, let's go. Hey guys, cheers.